Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today we are going to unbox this. So this is the Lamborghini Aventador SVJ and this is by Cool Auto or MSZ. So this is from the premium series and these are 1:64 scale diecast. Again, diecast models. So let's unbox this and see how this one looks. Again, the moment I saw this particular casting in this color, I went ahead and bought the previous castings. I mean the black colored ones I'm talking about. Okay, so it has this card here and that's it. Let me just put that aside. Yeah, so here is the casting itself. Honestly, the casting looks really beautiful. I mean, in general Lamborghini looks really beautiful, but this one looks really good. Okay, I hope you guys can able to see this clearly because it's actually black and I'm not sure how bright it is for you guys because again I'm viewing this through a privacy protector, so it is a bit difficult for me to perceive. So let me know in the comments. Okay, so it has headlight detailing here, the Lamborghini logos here, these are really neat, and you can see the 63 lettering here. I think they did this car, this particular variant for the 63rd anniversary of this brand. So it has rear view mirrors here, it has interior detailing to it, that looks really good. And yeah, in this one the steering is protruding, that looks really great. And it has wiper detailing here and it has tail light detailing as well, that is also painted on. And you can see the exhaust details here, that looks really good. And so the spoiler is actually fused with this body, and this piece is acrylic here. We are supposed to see the engine detailing on the inside. You can actually see that, but it is very difficult to see in this particular uh, very narrow space. And here, this part here, I think this is supposed to be air intake, so it has this carbon fiber texture. Again, I'm really happy that they are actually doing this in this. You can actually touch and feel this, like this braille dots. Those are the kind of dots they are having here. That is actually really beautiful, even though that is also black. That is a bit different black compared to the matte black they given for the entire car, and it actually stands out even in, even when you are keeping it in this way or inside the blister, wherever it is. So okay, the body is fully metal including this spoiler here, and you can see the fuel filler cap here. So the chassis is fully plastic. Okay, so the chassis has a good detailing to it. There's this carbon fiber texture to it, that is really nice. And I'm really glad they actually gave this normal screws to, you can just open and replace the wheels if you want, because this set of wheels is really, it looks really shit and doesn't even look really good at all. I mean, specifically for this casting they could have went with something different. Okay, let's weigh this car. 29 grams, not bad. I think they are focusing on the weight as well, because this one is 29, those two are 27. I think only the Beetle came somewhere around 31 because the size is actually huge on that. Okay, let's do a roll test. No, doesn't roll at all. Produces a lot of, see, this set of rims is not really good. So if you guys are having this particular brand and if you guys like customizing, my first request for you guys would be just swap this shitty wheels out and this casting would look way more cooler than it looks, because it is really beautiful. And this, just by changing this rims, it would be more beautiful. Okay, let's rate this casting. So honestly, I don't have any nitpicks with this casting. Maybe the wheels here, but this looks like they're, even though they are mentioning as a premium, but this kind of their main line, I guess. So they're going with the same rims for all the cars, so nothing to complain on that. So I'm giving a 10 out of 10. I don't have any issue with that. Looks really beautiful. So that's it for today, guys. If you like my video, hit the thumbs up button. If you love my video, subscribe. And as always, thanks for watching this video. Have a great day. Goodbye.